Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let us thank Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for His blessing. My name is Muhammad Muhammad Al Fajri, and today I'm going to talk about something that I believe is very relevant to where our economy is heading, and it's digital payment adoption of smash performance in South Sulawesi. Okay. Let's begin with a big picture. If we look at what's happened around us today, digital payment is growing at a remarkable pace. We are witnessing a massive shift. People are moving away from cash and embracing cashless transaction. QRIS and e-wallet have become extremely popular and for good reason. They are faster, and more efficient. Now the interest part is what is using this technology the most. The answer is MSME. Small and micro business are at the forefront of this digital payment movement. This alone to is alone there as digital payment is no longer just a convenience. It's becoming a critical tool for the survivor grow a small business. Next, research objective of the study. This brings us to purpose of this research. We set out the answer three core questions. First, how does the adoption of QRIS and e-wallet influence consumer behavior? Does it actually change the make people shop and spend? Second, what is the measurable impact on NSMA financial performance? Are business actually earning more and running more efficiently? And third, does digital payment generally improve the financial well-being of MSM operation in South Sulawesi? Key concept and research variable. Before I go further, let me quickly define the key term we are working with just so we're all on the same page. QRIS stands for Quick Response Code Indonesia Standard. Is nationally standardized QR code system that allow transaction across different platforms. One QR code for everything. E-wallet or digital payment tools, things GoPay, OVO, Dana, that let you pay with virtual cash quickly and conveniently. Consumer behavior in this context refers to how people spending and purchasing habit change as a result of using digital payment. And financial performance simply put is how well a business is doing, measured through revenue, profit, and operation efficient. This is variable. Now let me walk you through our research variable. For independent variable, the factor we are testing are key risk adoption and e-wallet use. These are what we believe that drive the change. Your dependent variables, the outcomes we are measure are consumer behavior and MSMA financial well-being. And we also include control variable, which are digital literacy and financial literacy. We account for these tiers because they can influence the relationship between our main variable. This structure give us a clear and systematic framework to measure cause and effect. Conceptual framework and methodology. Uh, Let me now explain the logic behind your conceptual framework, because is this really the heart of the research? It's more like a chain research. When digital payment makes transaction easier and more confident, consumers feel more comfortable and confident in spending. That's increased comfort lead in hacker high purchasing intention, but people buy more purchasing mean higher sales volume for MSMA operator, and higher sales volume naturally to increase revenue and net profit. And and the the end of the chain, better financial well-being for business owner. So is essential digital payment those do things how people pay. It creates a ripple effect that can genuinely transform the financial health of small business. Methodology. Now let's talk about how we conducted this research. We used a mixed methodology approach, meaning we we uh, we combined both quantitative and quantitative data. We are just really on number. We also listening to stories and experience of the real business owner. Your data was collected through their method survey, in deep interview, and the field observation. Your subjective were MSME operation in South Sulawesi. People who are actually running business on the ground. And finally, the data was analyzed using regression analysis to test your hypothesis and decision analysis to understand the broader pattern. Next. Nah, flow model. This slide show the flow model of our research, and I think this diagram makes everything very clear. The state which carries and evaluate adoption is the input. The input trigger transformation in customer behavior. People find transaction easier, faster, and trustworthy. This behavioral shift then production to key output, improve transaction efficiency, and higher sales volume. And those two ultimately led to the final outcome, increased net profit and enhanced financial well-being for MSME operation. So from output to outcome, digital payment drive a complete transformation. Research finding. So what did what I actually find? The results are very clear and quite encouraging. First, digital payment significantly improve transaction efficiency. Transaction tests used to take time and effort are now faster and smoother. Second, we observe a notable increase in sales volume and net profit among the NSA we yeah we student. Their spending confirmed that digital payment adoption is not just a technology upgrade, it's business upgrade. Let's dig a little deeper into what the spending mean. Was adoption, MSA show measurable performance improvement across the board. Transactions are faster, which save times for both the seller and the buyer. Operation costs are lower because digital transaction reduces the need for manual processing and paperwork. And that accurate has a cascading benefit is it making it easier for MSM owner to manage their cash flow and perhaps more importantly is improves their eligibility for external financial so as bank loan or government program. So the payment does this help business earn more is help them grow. Nah, consumer behavior. From the consumer side, the spending are in, interesting. We are seeing a clear and consistent shift toward cashless payment. Consumers today prefer digital transaction because they are more practical and time-saving. But there, there's another behavior that worth noting: digital payment encourages more impulsive buying. When payment is frictionless and instant, people tend to spend more spontaneous. And perhaps most importantly, consumer trust in digital payment system is growing. The more people use it, the more comfortable they become. This trust is protecting for long-term long-term adoption. MSM Wolfram. Well, now, what does all of this mean for the business owner themselves? The impact on MSME welfare is generally positive. Revenue and profitability are up. Businesses that adopted digital payment are earning more. Operations are running more smoothly, with every transaction documented digitally. Managing the business become far less chaotic. Financial stability has improved. Business owners have a clear picture of their financial and tax clarity gives them more confidence and control. And this together support long-term business sustainability, which is ultimately what every small business owner is working toward. Okay, challenge. Of course, no research won't be complete without acknowledging the challenge, and they are real honest. Digital literacy remains the biggest barrier many MSME owners, especially older owners, struggle to understand and use digital payment tools. Transaction feel while small can feel significant for micro business operating on operating margin. They are not small problem. They are They require deliberate, deliberate policy, education, and investment to address. Okay. Conclusion, and so to bring everything together, this research confirms that the adoption of Keris and e-wallet has a positive and significant impact both on consumer behavior and on MSME financial performance. Digital payment improve efficiency, increases profitability, and enhances financial well-being for small business operators. But, and this is critical, technology alone is not enough. The full potential of digital payment can only be realized if we address the barrier head-on. This means investing in digital program, expanding internet infrastructure, and creating supportive policies for small business. The opportunity is right in front of us. The question is, are we are ready to make accessible for everyone? Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to take any question. Once again, thank you for everyone present today. I hope this research contributes even it in a small way to a better understand of how digital payment can transform the levers of MSME operation, not just in South Sulawesi but across Indonesia. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.